Downward, you leave me all alone to make the best for sure. I'm a heart of gold, saw the signs, leave me in the darkness, you more than dying station, points of calculation, come to life on a brass ring, such a wonderful day. It's a cruel cross that I have to bear if you come but to put your hand on the justice boy has pursued. Hold me in I'm just a boy like you, but you're mine if there was something wrong. Didn't want you sleeping with a boy too long. It's a serious thing in a grown-up world. Maybe you think that you're with a Barbie. Toys are not sentimental. How I for rental. She's the meanest type that's ever been. Pull out outside her safety pin. I'm a source and feel like trash. Clothes made right to pay or even match. So she dressed me up and she laughed. Now the light of day I no longer see. She stuck her voodoo pins where my eyes used to be. Accidentally tragic, victim of black magic. Had a boy once who loved me. Now he's so afraid of me. On and on I stay when you're playing gold. You'll be there when you roll joyful. When you roll the sounds, what you're supposed to be. Tell me the story of a boy like me.
course.
Join the queue. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm going to have a... I just want to get out of the way. I don't even... I'm not going to ask them. Yeah, no, but we've been here for a long time. Yeah, of course.
We have such a gap.
And now I go to Australia. 6 in the morning.
Oh.
Yeah, I sit in the airport in Dubai for 10 hours.
Really?
What can you do in an airport for 10 hours?
Sleep, yeah.
Oh god, yeah. Have a nap.
Hey, have we got gifts for you? This is hold this please, and I've got this poster for you. Do you want me to open it for you so you see what it is? It's the Fisher Astro Boy poster.
Ah, yeah. You know, I bumped into Bill Nye a couple times because he's been promoting it, and I've known him for about 6-7 years. Ages. No, I haven't. And he saw the screensaver of Astro Boy, and he thinks I'm the biggest geek in the world.
Also, I stole my mum's CD.
I can't close.
Sorry. This is my mum's CD. I was wondering if you could sign it for her.
I'll sign this.
Lynn. L-Y-N-N, sorry.
It's gonna get ruined, isn't it?
There you go.
Oh, thank you so much. You'll love you forever. And me as well.
Don't worry.
You roll it up fast. I don't want to ruin it.
Oh yeah, sorry. Can someone hold this CD?
Yeah.
Thank you. It was brilliant. Yeah. Over my shoulder, beautiful.
Oh god, yeah. It's gonna.
No, that's just sitting
I don't want to ruin it.
One day, I promise. One day.
Clogs, I guess.
Clogs?
I don't know. I'm guessing.
I really can't hold this guy.
Me neither, but what Charlie doesn't do without it? Oh, thanks to Alex.
I know.
I wish I
Yeah, I don't know. Bless her.
Thank you for recording this, Lily.
It's alright. Should I record you rolling this up? Hit him on the head with it. It's long enough.
Hello.
Hi. Have a good trip, Mika. Yeah. Oh god. That's one of the nice old ones. Happy ending.
Oh yeah.
Is there something we need to ask you?
Yeah, it's edited.
We did a lot of it in passing, like a little bit here and there, but not of
We'll gladly watch it, though.
One day.
We won't ever see
No way, I'm scared. Shall I go around the back actually?
Yeah.
Oh, you need to, yeah.
No, it's actually stolen from an old but actually it was partly based on that incident. We were at school together. You were a year below me.
I was 4 years below you. I'm a year above, so like...
Oh, okay.
Very nice. Should we go past it?
No party.
We keep getting kicked out.
Let's get your poster.
It's over. You don't want to go.
Should we go eat?
Mika,
No, I'm going to Australia.
Okay.
I'm going to Australia. Good night, everybody.
Mika, your poster.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Go to Australia and stay there.
Is that where you're from?
Yeah.
Oh my god. See ya.